The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that shares similarities with Atkins and low-carb diets. It significantly reduces carbohydrate intake, replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. Keto diets can cause massive reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels, alongside the increased ketones, which has numerous health benefits. The ketogenic diet offers several significant health benefits, particularly in areas of metabolic health. Most notably, it's effective for weight loss as the body utilizes fat as a primary energy source. Enhanced energy levels and greater mental clarity are often reported by those on a keto diet, due to the steady fuel from ketones. Keto has also been associated with potential benefits in managing and preventing diabetes by maintaining lower and more stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, it may improve heart health by decreasing levels of triglycerides and increasing HDL cholesterol. Embarking on a keto journey starts with careful meal planning. Understanding and calculating your macro intake key fats, proteins, and carbohydrates is crucial. Utilizing apps or tools for tracking these macros helps in adhering to the right ratios essential for maintaining ketosis. A common pitfall for beginners is not consuming enough fats, leading to hunger and lower energy, defeating the diet's purpose. Planning ensures you incorporate a variety of fat sources in your meals, maintaining balance and nutrition, and avoiding the common traps of undereating fat or overeating protein, which could hinder your progress into ketosis. Navigating the grocery store on a ketogenic diet can be simplified with a few key strategies. Start by stocking up on essential keto-friendly foods such as high-fat dairy, leafy greens, above-ground vegetables, and good fats like avocados and nuts. It's important to be vigilant about reading labels. Many packaged foods contain hidden sugars and starches that can disrupt ketosis. Learn the terms that mean added sugars and check for carb content. Planning your shopping list ahead of time can ease the process, helping you to stick to just the aisles you need and avoiding unnecessary temptation. Adopting keto as a long-term lifestyle goes beyond just altering what you eat. It involves integrating the diet into all aspects of your life. Managing social situations gracefully means always being prepared with keto-friendly options, whether dining out by choosing low-carb dishes from the menu or bringing your own snacks to gatherings. Understanding how to handle cravings is key. Typically, they decrease as your body adaptates to fat as its primary fuel source. Staying committed involves education and mindfulness about choices, ensuring that you can sustain this lifestyle while enjoying social interactions and satisfying meals.